Okay, are you catching it in the bucket? That's why we like the square buckets. You can jam the corner.
Right.
Jam the corner underneath the filter. Okay. So it's coming off as one piece. We'll straighten it out later. Well, that's sooner than I thought. Okay, can you grab the filter? Grab the little finger, the little straps.
How to do that without a knife or something.
There you go.
Thank you.
I'm going to have to cut my steak with that knife tonight.
I got an idea that there might be some fuel down there too available.
Okay, rotate it back and forth. Okay, pull it up. And look at it. Show the camera what it looks like. That's pretty funky. Let's go ahead and put a new one back in there. And then we'll have to prime it using that electric pump on the far right-hand side of the bulkhead.
This is a 2 micron.
Want me to go find a filter?
Okay, we'll go with the 10 micron. That's what we have in stock on the boat. Okay, so we'll get the other fuel filter and we'll put it in place and prime it. So if you have questions about boats and fuel filters, ask Captain Chris.
Here you go.